South Beach is so funny with all of these people. There's this lady, this girl who works here, lives here, and grew up here in South Beach, sitting on the stairs, and I talked to her for a couple of minutes. And she likes to hang out in this specific at our hotel, basically because it's always calm, it's always cleaned up, it's always quiet. And then I'm walking down South Beach, and there's like all of these funny people, creatures. And then right here, like not even 2 minutes away. Actually, I literally just left the hotel and I'm already on South Beach. And this is now Ocean Drive right here.
We got the party bus tonight, right?
We got the party bus tonight, Carlos. And you have everyone dressed up and chilled out, ready to go party. And here you have Lummus Park. I should have brought my skates. That's actually pretty cool. I'll stay in this hotel more often. I like being right here, right on the beach. Like it's literally a 2-minute walk. That's so nice. It's not even that you have to go to the left or right and cross the street and then find your way here. You literally walk out, cross the street, and you're already there. And also, it is pretty safe because you have all of these people here patrolling the beach. You have a lot of police everywhere. I guess something must have happened with those people. But generally, it is pretty good. Now that I haven't done a single push-up or pull-up or muscle-up in like almost a month, I wonder if I can still do a muscle-up because you have all of these workout equipment here. Like not even 5 minutes walking away. I'll put you guys on the ground. Hopefully not get the camera full of sand and try to do a muscle up. So I move this up. There we go. Ooh. One, two, 3. Tough, but I did it. 3 muscle ups. All right, now let's go to the ocean. All of these side entrances are closed, so I have to go all the way to where the parking is to get to the beach. I'm not sure why that's the case. I was told at some point by a cop that all of these public parks, which beaches are supposed to be, they close at sunset, like 6-7 p.m. officially. So maybe that's the reason. Like, why else? Maybe they don't want people drowning, who knows? Anyway, the reason why I just started filming now is because I saw a rat. And I have never lived inside a big city before. But it doesn't matter where I go in Miami, in downtown, here in South Beach, in Fort Lauderdale, in Hollywood, wherever I am at night, I see rats like scrawling all over the floors. In the cities, in the bins, in the streets, in the bins, in gardens, on the beach. Disgusting. What's that supposed to mean? Beach closed 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. I want to go to the water. I'm gonna trespass. No one's watching. I just want to see the water real quick. Like, I live here. I want to see it. Who's gonna stop me? Like, I can't believe someone would be patrolling over here. There was another no trespassing sign. Great. There is someone patrolling on the beach. That's stupid. Closing the beach at midnight? Well, I don't want to cause trouble now, so whatever. I'll just go back again, take a shower, and then maybe come here for sunrise, because they open up at 5 a.m. Stupid. South Beach, my guys. Someone, this guy just fell. Now he's walking again. Why can't I swap here? This guy just fell on the ground, head against the curb, and now the Miami Beach public, whatever car, stopped on the side, helping them up. Fuck. Also, I just passed a lot of Lambos and Corvettes and McLarens that all drove by at the same time. Ocean Drive right here, all of these hotels and restaurants. Like the strip is the main attraction of South Beach, from what I know. I mean, you have the convention center and the botanical garden and stuff like that. But this is like the place to hang out in the evenings. Nothing for me though. I don't like these places. Too much music, too many people. No thank you. I was permanently recording because there's so many funny things happening. Like this guy just walked past me, like super stalking this guy, super tall, skinny guy, talking to himself. I need cocaine, I need cocaine, I need cocaine, I need cocaine. And then like a gang of little kids on bicycles basically passed me and like pointing at me. I'm barefoot. Look, she's barefoot. I passed the whole party strip of this section of Ocean Drive. And now this here is Casa Casuarina, the old Versace Mansion. I had heard about it before, but I only got to know the actual story of it yesterday. So the guy, Versace, he was murdered right here on these steps, I believe. And then this property is now a 5-star hotel, like super exclusive, and it was auctioned off at some point, and now it's owned by a Jewish family. And Gianni was in here today because we're trying to get into the management of this property. Honestly, it doesn't look like that impressive from the outside with the lighting, but if you look closer in how it's built, you can see this is like historic. This is older architecture, and it definitely has the vibe to it. Completely opposite of everything going on over there. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm hoping I hope I can get inside next week. Or at some point. I did want to edit the last 2 videos basically because I have a vlog like this, and I have a complete checkout video of, I guess I can say it now, of KCP. I didn't even upload the other social media videos yet because these ones will go viral 100%. So the reason that that's the reason why I made a full video this time, because it's still some sort of algorithm to push out longer form videos, and since these short form videos are doing so well, I'm pretty sure if I keep a longer video, like a 10-minute video, entertaining for at least 10 minutes, it might get the same audience and attraction, and the people who are watching my short form content, they might stay and also watch the full long content. What the fuck happened?
You can pull them out.
What the fuck? I guess they're getting pulled out. I just had to spend $3.50 for Gatorade because there's like, the hotel does not have any drinkable water. So now I'm back to my plan of putting the vending machine inside. I think that's a great idea. Just need a location for it, and I think since we already determined that the second floor does not have any space for it, it will have to be the office, the lobby. That was so funny walking by these people who just got arrested. And before, like I said, 30 seconds before, a golf cart passed them, and the guys were pointing at them. Look, they got 3 of them. Hilarious. I'm not the only person right here in the street, and this guy on a bicycle passes me, asks me, "You wanna buy, brother? You need some weed?" People are so funny. And there's a girl from who I just mentioned. Where is she? Luna is her name. And it looks like they dropped off laundry here. What the hell is this? Why is this here? It's not supposed to be here. We did a good walk, and I only have 1 piece of glass in my foot. I'm gonna take a shower and get it out, and I'm pretty sure this will be the ideal spot for a vending machine here. I mean, there's not really other location. You can't block this door. This would be an ugly sight if you walk in. Same thing here. No point here. That makes the only spot either back there, which is very inaccessible, or right here. I'll see how much I have to spend to get one. Probably like $2,000 or something. But this will have a lot of traffic for the same reason that I just spent $4 on a Gatorade. I'm not gonna lie, I slept like shit. It's not the hotel's fault. So because of my throat. And well, I guess that's it. I'm now on South Beach at 6:25. There's a TV crew right here. I guess they're just doing a morning radio show or something. And sunrise is gonna be in 20 minutes. I'm gonna watch that right now. Unfortunately, I don't have a towel. Otherwise I would have continued my nap on the beach. And then I'll go to Publix real quick, get something to drink. And then my ass is going back to sleep. I slept like 5 hours. So, I mean, the sign is still here. Beach closed 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. We're now at 6 in the morning. Why is this still closed? Like, that's not fair. There's people walking back there. Why would they close the main entrance? Keep it closed. I just want to see the sunset, man. Trying to not get my feet full of sand. I guess I'll just sit on this box here for now. Actually, never mind. This is wet. Probably salty. This is the building I mentioned yesterday. I was in there for some guy, to help some guy in his apartment. He owns a couple houses here in South Beach too. And you have this amazing view of the whole beach, of the whole Miami Beach. And then Fisher Island behind it. Really cool place. I don't know how, but I messed up filming a sunset because this camera has a time-lapse setting, and it says on the screen 10 minutes will be 10 seconds of video. I didn't realize that it will only film for 10 minutes. So I was like sitting there for 30 minutes looking at the sunrise. not sunset, sunrise. And yeah, it only recorded the first 10 minutes before the sun went up. Anyway, it's pretty nice. I like it. The temperature is nice. And as a life hack for anyone in the future, I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty convinced that if you... I'm gonna wait until people pass. I still feel awkward filming in public. So I'm pretty convinced that if you're depressed for something that is not a relationship, and you watch the sun rise and the sun set every day for a week, you'll be cured. The beauty of life, of nature, will catch up to you, and you'll see the importance of living again. Keep that in mind.